Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about two of my favorite brands. I have a few new pieces from Ana Luisa that I cannot wait to show you, as well as I'm going to recreate the look that I created for the Chantecaille Beauty Chat Live with Angela Rogers. I have the new fall 2020 collection from Chantecaille, which is just absolutely stunning. I've got all three of the lipsticks as well as this beautiful trio of shadows. So I was asked if I could recreate the look that I was wearing on our live, and I want to just take a second to say thank you so much for those of you that came to the live event. That was my first one that I was hosting. So it was so nice to have all of your lovely support, and again was so happy to be doing that with my friend Angela Rogers from Chantecaille. So we have plans to do more because you guys seem to really enjoy that. So again, thank you so much. Just be on the lookout. We will be doing some more lives for you guys in the very near future. So if you are interested in seeing the new beautiful pieces of Ana Luisa jewelry, as well as see how I created this look, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, I wanted to show you two new pieces that I got from Ana Luisa. First, I got these beautiful little freshwater pearl earrings. These are so sweet. They're the perfect size. They're a little bit dainty and I just love them. And then I did get the Milo bracelet, and look how cute this is. I'll show you this on, but I just wanted to show you the packaging that it comes in. Everything is 100% recycled. That is the whole deal with this brand. All of the materials, included packaging, is all 100% recycled. They use 100% recycled materials, and I just love everything about the brand, from the packaging to the quality of the products. And I just wanted to show you how cute this is. And it says, "We've always had a thing for silver linings and gold ones too. So thank you for thinking of us as a small way to brighten a day. Hit pause and enjoy your little moments of beauty. Take a deep breath and let it all go." And again, of course, on 100% recycled paper. And then of course it has like the little tag. It says, "Your jewelry has been handcrafted to last. We wish you many happy times together." So every single piece of jewelry that I have gotten from Ana Luisa, I absolutely love. The quality is there, and of course I love all their ethical practices. Just super beautiful and really nice. No jewelry markups. I love the price point and the quality. This is the new Milo bracelet from Ana Luisa, and I just love this. So this is 100% recycled sterling silver. I tend to wear mostly gold, but I love silver as well. I tend to mix metals, and you guys, this quality is just gorgeous. It's got a little cross at the end of this, just like that, and it just is a really beautiful bracelet. So I've really been enjoying that. And then I have the mini organic pearls, which I just love. So I just find that the size of these is just dainty and so cute. I always tend to get the most compliments on jewelry the daintier it is, and I just love these little freshwater pearls. I've got a touch of that kind of prep side in me, and I just find that these are classic little pearls. Just a classic, and you cannot go wrong with these pearls. So as you guys know, I'm a huge fan of this brand. I will leave in the description box the jewelry that I love and own, along with a little discount code. So definitely go check those out. And then let's go ahead and create this little makeup. Okay, we are going to put on the new Chantecaille fall collection. This is so pretty. This is the Safari Collection Eye Trio, and the organization that is giving back to is the Walk for Giants. So again, look at these beautiful elephants. I've got a little thing for elephants, and then let me open this up. and it creates the most beautiful eye. I had this on in our little live event the other day, and many of you were asking if I would go ahead and show you what I had on that day. And of course, we're gonna play with that. So at first I'm gonna let you know, oops, sorry, you're seeing my fingerprints, but it comes with a really nice mirror. It does have a little brush here. I'm probably gonna use my own brushes, but to be honest, this one's not too bad at all. And first I want to give you a swatch of this beautiful trio here. We have got NANU, which is like a beautiful taupe. I love this. Then we've got Red Earth. It's kind of a beautiful copper, kind of burnished copper. Chantecaille, which is a beautiful gold shade. So when you first see this, you may be thinking these are all going to be super shimmery on the eyes, but they really are not. So I'm going to recreate the look that I used on the live. And again, you guys, thank you so much for coming. So many of you came on that morning and it was so much fun. So for the sake of time, I already put on complexion, and we're going to dive right in with this taupe shade. So what I did that morning is used the taupe basically all over my lid here, and just super nice kind of pigmentation. You guys, these just are beautiful. This is just so pretty. I think it creates a really natural eye, and of course the colors are fantastic for fall. But again, I was like, oh, I love this color so much, I would just wear this alone with a little bit of eyeliner, and then just placing that all over the lid. So I love that. It's kind of a cool tone taupe color and just super wearable. So this is your everyday kind of shade. And I'm gonna take a Rephr, and this is the number 3. I'm going to go in with a little bit of that taupe, and I'm going to run a little bit underneath my lash line. Create a little bit of shadow. So not overly metallic, just kind of a really nice sort of day-to-day look. So again, put on mascara, maybe a little eyeliner. Then what I did is I went into this beautiful copper, and I kind of intensified the outer V. So I just took a little bit of here, right like that. And you're gonna see they're just not over the top, just pretty kind of fall colors. And then I'm just pulling a little bit with a light hand up into that crease area, and these just work really nice together. So a little bit of that Red Earth, smoking the eye out just a bit. And again, as always, I'm going to blend, 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 so have no fear. Okay, kind of smoked the eye out here, and I'm going in with a little big fluffy brush, and we're just going to soften, but you can see all the colors work amazing together. I just want to make sure there's no like edges, and it's just kind of giving me a little wash all over my eyes. And then we've got this beautiful gold shade over here, and what I did was I took a little bit of that, and I'm going in with a Builder Pro, so it's a little more of a flat brush here, and just picked up a little bit of that gold, and I added that right above the pupil here, kind of opening up my eye just a little bit here. And then I'm going to kind of blending it from the inner part of the eye to kind of right where my iris is. And then taking whatever's left on the brush, and I just brought that up into the brow bone just to kind of lift the brow bone and give it a little bit of lightness up there. I'm going to come back in with that brush, and I'm just kind of patting everything in so it's blended, but it's just super pretty. I love, this is the kind of palette that I would wear every day. Just very wearable, has those lovely fall tones. Then many of you were asking me what eyeliner I wore in the live, and I actually love Slate. So you can see mine is well used. So I love to use a sort of gray tone along with sort of these warmer colors here. Again, I love this because there's a mix of cooler and warmer tones, and I just think that looks really pretty. So what I did was I took a little bit of Slate and I kind of just wiggled that close to my lash line. So just really close. In between the lashes, and you will see for myself all of a sudden we'll have some eyeballs on. Now I also have used I also think Jasper would be a really pretty kind of brown to use with this. And I just took a teeny bit, you guys. I just went to the outer part and I just go about 3/4 on the bottom, and then I use a pencil to kind of smudge it. So Slate is just kind of my perfect kind of, instead of a black, I like to use a gray for myself with my hazel eyes. I don't know why gray seems to give a little more impact, but not quite as strong as black. So I'm just going to come in. Again, I'm using the rougher number 3, and I am just going to kind of smudge along that lash line. And then on the bottom, I just take some time and I kind of smudge that out. I don't want too much on the bottom, but I want to connect everything. Okay guys, I did just a wash of all 3 colors, but the other thing that I was thinking you could do, and we'll do more looks with this, is you could literally put that copper all over the lid. That would look beautiful as just a sort of one shadow wash of color. The same with this beautiful gold. So kind of if you're just looking for a one-stop like single shadow look, I think that's the other beauty, is you could use all 3 of these just singly for a beautiful look. But I wanted to kind of show you the colors and what I had created on that look. Now, of course, I need mascara, and I'm going to be using my Chantecaille, and this is the Faux CILS Longest Lash Mascara. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know this is my holy grail mascara. So I am going to, I just love the brush, I love the formula, and it is just my go-to. So I spend a little bit of time on my lashes, so we may kind of speed this part up, and I just wiggle through the lash. I get as deep as I can towards that bottom of the lashes. And you don't want to get it in your hair. So much better already. So much better. Mascara's on, and I'm just going to pull you in just a little bit and show you this is the eye I have created so far. And then I always tend to take a little bit of the bronzer that I have used during the day just to connect and make everything a little cohesive. I'll take a little bit of my bronzer and I may just intensify my crease just a little bit, and it just tends to kind of pull everything together. I also do that sometimes. I'll put a little bit of the blush I'm using just right in that crease line, just to kind of make everything come together. I'm gonna take fluffy brush. Again, I didn't want to alter too much, but I will just intensify just a tad. And then if you want, you can also take a little bit of the bronzer and you can run it under the lash line. Okay, Now we've got eyes on. Love that little trio. We are gonna play with the lips. So you guys, I love the lip veils. You've heard about that. Honey Pot's my absolutely favorite. And they have 3 new shades in the lip veils. So what I'm gonna start with is Plumeria, which is a cool toned plum. And you guys, this is a new favorite love. So this is gonna be the lightest of the bunch. And I'm just gonna put this one on. So comfortable. These are just easy to wear. You do not need a mirror. You don't have to wear it with lip liner. So hydrating, gives a little bit of shine, but not overly shiny. It kind of has sort of a little bit of a balm texture to it. And this is the shade Plumeria. Okay, next shade is Acacia. And I love this one. This is a tawny rose. So almost like a little bit of My Lips But Better, like a level up. And I just think this is such a flattering color. It does kind of scream fall. And this is Acacia. And then last but not least, we have Tamarind, and this is a warm cinnamon brown. And this has total 90s vibes, and I personally really like this. I remember wearing lots of brown toned kind of lips, and I'm really enjoying this one because it's got a pinch of more of a little terracotta in it, or cinnamon. I love that description. It's described as a warm cinnamon brown, which I love because yes, it's got a little bit of that kind of terracotta cinnamon color in it. This totally is screaming fall, makes me super excited. So this is Tamarind. I just think it's a really fun color. So I literally love all 3 of these lipsticks, all the colors. Let me give you a quick swatch on my hand. And then here's a swatch of them on my hand. So Plumeria, Acacia, and Tamarind. And these are just all super wearable for me. I feel like they have a nice little range of tones in here, from those who kind of want more of that terracotta brick color to the others who might lean more in that kind of plum mauve. And then we've got the classic tawny rose that personally I think looks fantastic on pretty much almost everybody. And then other makeup on my face real quick, I did use a little bit of their Radiance Elixir, which is amazing. I did used Future Skin. I used the Lastilo Camouflage underneath my eye, and the Real Stick. I just kind of perfected a few areas where I needed a little bit more coverage. Then I used Serena in the Real Bronze, and then I used Manta Ray for blush. So I absolutely love the fall collection from Chantecaille. I do know as of right now this is sold out on chantecaille.com, but I will tell you that this will be hitting retailers such as Nordstrom in the next couple weeks. So if you missed out on this collection and you are still wanting to get your hands on it, I believe Blue Mercury, Nordstrom, any place that they normally sell Chantecaille, you will be able to pick that up. So cannot recommend this enough. And one other little unique little tip that she told me is that this is a reusable compact. So on the back there's like a little pin here, and you can pop out the shadows and put in your own shadows. So again, the packaging is fantastic, but it's also reusable. So I really enjoyed that as well. You guys, I love all 3 of the lips. I think they're fantastic. I'm a big fan of the formula already, so that was a win-win. So you guys, I hope that this video was helpful, and I hope you guys have an amazing start to your week. I will be back with some more videos soon. So thank you for watching, and have a fantastic day.